United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 238. Right to conduct marine scientific research. All states, irrespective of their geographical location, and competent international organizations, have the right to conduct marine scientific research subject to the rights and duties of other states as provided for in this convention. Article 239. Promotion of marine scientific research. States and competent international organizations shall promote and facilitate the development and conduct of marine scientific research in accordance with this convention.